you want to come up here? Come up. You're capable. You can jump up. You know how.
Come on, bud.
There we go. That's all you needed. Good job, buddy. Yeah, you want to be with your mama. Whoops. That's the spot right there. Get your son. Look out the window. Yeah, good boy. Special boy. Yeah. Lay down. Let's enjoy and relax, okay? Lay down. You did it good. There you go. I know what this is about. You think it's 5 o'clock. Hey, it's not 5 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. You have 1 hour before you eat. So just cut it out. You're not going to beg at me for an hour. Lay yourself down. Lay down. You're not getting dinner yet. Lay down. Stare me down all you want. Lay down. Okay, then we'll just look at each other.